Have you ever wondered how the concrete jungle is built? It all starts with cement. Cement is the hidden ingredient, the glue that holds our cities together. It's the foundation of towering skyscrapers and sprawling highways. But have you ever stopped to think about where cement comes from and how it's made? The journey of cement is a fascinating one, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to transform raw materials from the earth into the building blocks of civilization. Our exploration of cement begins with its raw materials. Our journey into the world of cement begins with the extraction of its raw materials, a process that takes us to vast quarries where massive machines carve into the Earth's crust. Limestone, the primary ingredient, forms the backbone of cement, providing the calcium oxide essential for its binding properties. These quarries are a testament to the scale of cement production, a constant reminder of the immense demand for this construction material. Next, we encounter clay, a material known for its fine particles and ability to contribute to cement's workability. Clay deposits, often found near limestone quarries, are excavated and transported to processing facilities. These facilities are a hive of activity, where raw materials are sorted, crushed, and prepared for the next stage of their transformation. Sand, the final key ingredient, rounds out the trio of raw materials. Sand provides silica, another crucial component for cement's strength and durability. The type and quality of sand can significantly influence the final product's properties, highlighting the importance of careful selection and sourcing. The extraction of these raw materials is just the first step in a complex process. It's a process that highlights our dependence on the Earth's resources and underscores the importance of responsible mining practices. As we delve further into the world of cement production, we'll see how these raw materials are transformed from simple Earth elements into a material that shapes our built environment. With the raw materials gathered, the next stage of cement production takes us to the heart of the processing plant, where massive grinding mills pulverize the quarried rocks into a fine powder. This powder, known as raw meal, is the foundation upon which cement is built. The grinding process is crucial, as the fineness of the raw meal directly impacts the final product's quality and performance. Inside these colossal mills, steel balls or rollers crush the limestone, clay, and sand, reducing them to particles finer than flour. The air within the mill fills with a fine dust, a testament to the intensity of the grinding process. This process is not merely about breaking down the materials. It's about creating the ideal surface area for the chemical reactions that will occur later in the process. The proportions of limestone, clay, and sand in the raw meal are carefully controlled, a recipe fine-tuned over decades of research and experimentation. This precise blend ensures the correct chemical composition, a crucial factor in determining the final cement's properties, such as its setting time, strength, and durability. The creation of raw meal is a testament to the power of mechanical engineering, transforming rough-hewn rocks into a fine, consistent powder. This transformation is a vital step in the journey of cement, setting the stage for the dramatic transformation that awaits in the heart of the kiln. The kiln's fiery embrace. Transforming raw materials. The journey of cement production takes a dramatic turn as we enter the realm of the kiln, a massive cylindrical furnace that stands as the heart of the cement plant. Here, the raw meal embarks on a fiery transformation, subjected to temperatures that would melt most metals. The kiln is a marvel of engineering, a rotating inferno that drives the chemical reactions essential for cement creation. As the raw meal journeys through the kiln, it encounters a cascade of heat, gradually increasing in temperature. This intense heat, often reaching over 1,450 degrees Celsius, or 2,642 degrees Fahrenheit, isn't merely for heating the raw materials. It's about breaking down their chemical bonds and forging new ones. Inside the kiln's fiery belly, the raw materials undergo a process called sintering. This process, driven by the intense heat, causes the components of the raw meal to partially melt and fuse together. The result is a new material, a clinker, that emerges from the kiln as small gray nodules, ready for the final stages of its transformation into cement. The kiln is where the magic happens, where simple earth elements are reborn as clinker, the crucial intermediate in the cement-making process. This fiery transformation is a testament to the power of heat and its ability to alter the very nature of materials. Now, let's delve into the crucial intermediate, clinker. Once the raw materials have undergone their fiery transformation in the kiln, they emerge as clinker, those small gray nodules we mentioned earlier. Clinker is the essential ingredient in cement, the substance that gives it its strength and durability. Without clinker, cement would be just a mix of raw materials without the binding properties needed for construction. The process of creating clinker is both art and science, requiring precise control of temperature and chemical composition. It's this attention to detail that ensures the quality and consistency of the final cement product. So, in many ways, clinker is the unsung hero of the cement-making process, the hidden gem that makes modern construction possible. With clinker in hand, we move to the final steps of cement production. The clinker is cooled and then ground into a fine powder, often with the addition of gypsum to control the setting time of the cement. This fine powder is what we know as cement, ready to be mixed with water, sand, and aggregates to create concrete. But the story doesn't end there. In today's world, sustainability is a key consideration in cement production. Modern plants are increasingly focused on reducing emissions, conserving energy, and utilizing alternative fuels and raw materials. This commitment to sustainability ensures that cement production can continue to meet the needs of society while minimizing its environmental impact. So, as we wrap up our journey through the cement-making process, it's clear that innovation and responsibility go hand in hand in this vital industry. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour, straight to your feed.